Hey guys, this is Subhas Kumar. Once again I am back with a new video tutorial which is related to the Canada based dedicated server hosting plan. So in my last previous video I have already explained the very first and second one plan. Now in this video tutorial I will explain you the third one plan. So as you know that I am from Onlive Server. Onlive Server is the leading server hosting company which provide all type of hosting solutions. So whenever you want to dedicate server hosting plan for the Canada based location, so just log into the Onlive Server, that is onliveserver.com. Whenever you log into onliveserver.com, then our official page will be displayed like this is our official website, and these are some of the information about our hosting plans like dedicated server, VPS, cloud and web hosting plans. So now scroll the page. Whenever you scroll the page, then you will get some of the additional informations like our corporate profile or contact details or term and conditions and other managed services links like cheap dedicated server hosting, BPS server hosting plans or other details. And here you will get some of the payment method to do the payment. Okay, now basically this video is related to the Canada based dedicated server hosting plan, so we will go through the Canada based section. So click on the dedicated section. Now here you will get some of the wide range of country wise dedicated server hosting plans like this is South Korea based dedicated server hosting plan, South Africa, Spain, Israel, India based dedicated server hosting plan, Hong Kong based dedicated server hosting plan. Now we will go to the targeted location, that is the Canada based dedicated server hosting plan. Now whenever you click on the Canada based dedicated server hosting link, then here you will get some of the page like the very first plan that was available just $99 per month, and the second one plan that will be available at just $139 now. And I will explain you the third one plan, and this plan is available at just $159 monthly. Okay, now with this plan you will get Intel Xeon processor and up to 4 core and 8 thread of processor it will be, and 3.8 gigahertz of speed and the 332 GB of RAM and 450 GB of SSD hard disk. Here you will get the read and write permission very fast. And to get this plan you can click to the buy now button. Whenever you click on the buy now button, then configuration page will be displayed like whatever you want to buy this plan, like whatever you want you are getting with this plan, like processor up to the Intel Xeon processor and CPU information like 4 core and 8 thread, and the CPU speed is 3.8 gigahertz, and the RAM is the 32 GB of RAM you will get with this plan, and 450 GB of SSD hard disk with this plan you will get. And security, if you go to the security section, then Anti-DDoS Protection Pro included in this plan, and server location will be the Montreal, Canada, and the setup time will be 0 to 24 hours. So just scroll the page, and here you will get the billing cycle like we accept the billing through the monthly basis, quarterly basis, semi-annually basis or annually basis, so you can choose according to your conveniently. So basically I will choose the very first one first one option like the monthly basis plan. Okay, now just scroll the page and keep it the hosting provider like you can fill here Onlive Server and your domain, and here you have to fill your password whatever you want to keep it, and here you have to fill your NS1, NS2. Now just scroll the page and go to the configurable option. Now here the operating system details like we provide VMware operating systems or Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS, and the Windows based operating system. These are some of the operating systems that will be provided by our company, and some of the operating systems are the chargeable and some of the free. Like if you choose CentOS based operating system, that will be absolutely free. Citrix based operating system, Cloud Linux or free BSD based operating system, that will be absolutely free. And if you choose to the Windows based operating system, that will be chargeable. Like I'm from India, so that's why the plan or price are showing in INR. Or absolutely if you are out of the country, like if you are in from the out of other country, then it will be displayed in dollar. So now here you will get some of the control panel informations like Place panel, direct admin and C panel, and it will be also chargeable. So according to your choose according to your conveniently. And if you choose the C panel based control panel, so the price will be absolutely some of the increase. and I will keep it as the none. Now here is the IPv4 informations and bandwidth informations, DDoS protection informations, and data center location information. So after getting these information, just click on the continue button. Whenever you click on the continue button, then you will be redirected to the review checkout page. Just review these informations and click on the checkout option, and your final price will be this one, and click on the checkout option. Now here you have to fill your some of the personal information like your first name, last name, your email address, phone number, and company detail like your company name, address, and phone numbers, other details, and your country wise locations. And just scroll the page, and here you will get some of the payment method details like we accept the payment through the credit card, debit card, net banking, wallet, or UPI through the payment, and the Bitcoin also we accept the Bitcoin, Union Pay, Wave Money, Alpha Click, and Alipay. These are some of the payment methods, so choose according to your conveniently and do the payment and complete your order. I hope this video is beneficial for you, and it will be absolutely help you to do the order. So keep watching and keep smiling. Thank you for watching this video.